Welcome to a PurpleDS Hub tutorial. Today's topic, general overview. The PurpleDS Hub is our multi-channel publishing solution. You can use the hub to create new digital content for either articles or issues. You can import PDFs. You can import from existing print systems like, for instance, Woodwing Aurora. So basically you can use the hub to syndicate all your content at one place. What you can explore today is the demo trial setup consisting of the hub, consisting of a pre-configured website, which you can see here, and consisting of a pre-configured own branded app, which you can see here. Of course, there will be further settings and options activated later in the live version. Today you are exploring the trial version. Options which will be activated at a later stage are analytics, for instance, further channels, options to add own article CSS, options to add own categories, and so on. So how is the app structured? What you can see on the left-hand side is the dashboard, the purple feed for article-based publishing, the purple issues for issue-based publishing, and the media library. The dashboard, on the dashboard you can find a section where we give a couple of hints, which we strongly recommend that you read them. You find a couple of video tutorials to get you quickly up to speed, and you get a Get in Contact section where you can request a demo webinar or where you will be linked to our knowledge base. In addition, at the bottom you find our QR code. The QR code guides you directly to your own branded app. Purple feed. The purple feed is for article-based publishing. What we did, we pre-configured and added a couple of demo articles so that you have a good start. The structure is that you have on top a couple of options to filter your articles by date, by categories, by published channels. On the right hand side you have a full search. The articles, there you have the options to edit, of course. To do a quick edit, here you can set quickly title, slug, you can change or add a category, or you add some tags. In addition, you can easily clone the articles which you created to the purple issue sections. So you can reuse the articles within your new issues. So let's jump into one of these articles. So the article is quite straightforward structured. What we did here, pre-configured, is that we have a header medium, that we have a paragraph, again a picture, a couple of headlines, H1, H2, H3, again paragraphs. We added a slider, we added a video, and so on and so forth. So this is the article structure. You can easily add new content blocks just by clicking on the left side on the plus icon. Here you find all available content blocks. Content blocks like purple slider image, headings, lists, audio cover, embeds like YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. You find everything up here on the left hand side. Generally, we structured this on the right hand side in the inspector by document, so all the settings related to the document, and block, all the settings related to a content block, like here the settings for the paragraph. On the document level, you have the publishing options, so publishing to the Purple app, publishing to the web, social media, Apple News, and Amazon Alexa. During the trial, social media, Apple News, and Amazon Alexa are not activated. You have the preview options for web and PurpleDS. You find something like the permalinks, the categories, tags, and the featured image. The featured image is very important. You need to set the featured image before you publish. You need that for both the app as well as for the website. Going to the next section on the left hand side, purple issues. Here quite the same. you have a first overview about all your issues you created. The difference here is that we structured the issues in a parent and a couple of childs. The parent on top level is normally the cover, so the issue 1218 cover. And attached to the cover we have a couple of childs which are normal articles. You can see the difference between the parent and the child by the hyphen here in the beginning. Going to the next section, media library. In the media library you can add any asset. Means you can add pictures, audio, video or PDFs and link them then later on into your content. Going back to the dashboard. I showed you in the beginning the website. So what we did, we added a website as well as an app. So if you go and create new articles within the Purple DS Hub, you can easily just publish to both of these devices. So website or your own app device. Don't forget, at the bottom of the dashboard, you find the QR code which brings you directly to the app. So that was a quick intro into the Purple DS Hub trial version. I hope it will help you to get you quickly up to start. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to just get in contact with us. Have fun and talk soon.